Let me tell you something most people don't want to hear. You don't need 30 days to change your life. You don't need a new year. You don't need Monday. You need one day. One brutally honest day where you stop distracting yourself, stop negotiating with your comfort, and finally face your life. Because the real problem isn't time, it's avoidance. Most people aren't stuck because they're incapable. They're stuck because they never get quiet long enough to see what's actually wrong. So today, I'm giving you something powerful. A 24-hour mental reset. Not motivation. Not hype. A reset. And if you do this properly, you will not be the same person tomorrow. Let's begin. Pick one day. Just one. And disappear. Turn off your notifications. Log out of social media. No endless scrolling. No background noise. Just you. At first, it will feel uncomfortable. That's normal. Because silence exposes what distraction hides. Here's the truth. Most people don't hate being alone. They hate what their mind tells them when everything gets quiet. But clarity lives in silence. And if you cannot spend one full day with your own thoughts, you're not protecting your peace. You're running from yourself. Now we go deeper. Stand in front of a mirror. No music. No podcast. No self-help video playing in the background. Just you. Looking at you. Hold eye contact. Longer than feels comfortable. Then ask yourself one question. Where am I lying to myself? Not the version you show people. Not the filtered personality. The real you. Don't rush this. Because when honesty hits, you feel it. That tightness in your chest. That's awareness waking up. And awareness is where change begins. No more performing. No more pretending. Just truth. Grab a notebook. Write down 3 things. The habits quietly destroying your future. The environments draining your energy. The excuses keeping you small. Be ruthless. No sugarcoating. Now, this part matters. Rip the page out. Destroy it. Tear it. Burn it. Shred it. Why? Because writing creates awareness. But destruction creates commitment. It signals to your brain, I am done being that person. From this moment forward, there is no return to autopilot. Now we activate your body and your mind. Set a 60-minute timer. This is your warrior hour. No shortcuts. Run, lift, do push-ups. Take a cold shower. Shock your system awake. Your body stores stress. Movement releases it. Your anger. Your fears. Your frustrations. Don't organize it. Don't censor it. Let the mess spill out. Because a clear life starts with a clear mind. Sit. No phone. No music. Just breathe. At first your brain will race. Then something incredible happens. It slows. And in that stillness, you meet presence. Not the anxious version of you. Not the distracted version. The grounded one. The powerful one. Tonight, before you sleep, go back to the mirror. But this time, don't interrogate yourself. Acknowledge yourself. Look into your eyes and say, I showed up today. Not perfectly, not flawlessly, but fully. Most people never experience a single day of complete presence. A day where they didn't numb themselves, didn't hide, didn't escape. You did something rare. You faced yourself. You are not broken. You are overloaded, overstimulated, overdistracted, overwhelmed, buried under comfort and noise. But one intentional day, one focused, honest, distraction-free day can shift the direction of your entire life. Not because you became someone new, but because you finally stopped abandoning yourself. So here's my challenge. Don't just watch this. Schedule your reset day. Circle it on your calendar. Protect it. Show up like your future depends on it. Because it does. If this message hit you, don't ignore that feeling. Take action. And if you're serious about becoming someone most people never have the discipline to become, stay here. We're just getting started.